My name is Robert with Web Developer Ninja, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google Analytics to your WordPress website. First, I want to talk about Google Analytics is highly important for your website because it is really it's important to first know who's coming to your site, what they're doing. But Google Analytics is going to give you a lot of different ways that you can test changes and make sure that your website's moving in the right direction with your marketing campaigns, all that good stuff. So come to Google and type in Google Analytics, and I think it's the first one that pops up. It's this one, Google Analytics, google.com/analytics. Go ahead and sign in. And I think Google Analytics 360 Suite, they just changed this recently, but I think that is what we're going to want. Actually, that's not what we're going to want. Let's go back. Boy, Google Analytics. All right, this one, boom, first one. Sign in. Oh, right here, Google Analytics. So just go to don't go to Google Analytics 360 Suite, Google Analytics, this one right here. So these are all of my websites that I've got on my Google Analytics account. And to add another one, we are going to come to the admin tab. And we are going to come down to this drop-down, this account drop-down, and we're going to create a new account. Now this Google Analytics is going to go for a website called VP Archery, which we are about to launch this week. So we're just going to say VPA website. So this is an account name, and inside of your account you can have multiple websites. And the website name is going to be VPA website. And let's see. So what we're going to do is we're under a temporary domain name right now. So we're going to copy this temporary domain name. And we're going to paste that in. And as you can see, we don't want this HTTP. So let's get rid of that. Oops, sorry. Then for the industry category, we're going to check one of these. Let's see. Well, this is going to be sports. We'll say sports. They sell broadheads and archery equipment. Time zone, we're good there. And now we're going to get tracking ID. Now we've got this pop-up. Got to read this. All that, accept. And here is your website tracking ID. So this is some script tags. What you want to do is you want to copy paste this, and it's about to get a little codey, I guess. Don't get worried. This is not hard. Just follow step by step, and this will be easy, and your Google Analytics will be hooked up. So copy this website tracking in between the scripts, and actually grab the scripts too, and then come back to your WordPress dashboard. Now what you're going to want to do is you can come down to Appearance and Editor. So we're going to enable editing. Go ahead and exit out of this. And we're going to want to look for the theme header. So this is theme header, and it says underneath it in parentheses header.php. So go ahead and click that. Now this is your header.php, and what we want to do is we want to paste in that code that we copied. And go ahead, and we're going to say right up top by this head right here, head, hit enter and paste in that script. So this is that script that we just copied. Then come down and update file. Perfect. So let's come to the domain name, and we're going to check in the source code just to make sure that we actually indeed updated the HTML to now include this Google Analytics code. So in Google Chrome, IE has it, all this, but in Chrome we're going to right click, and we are going to say View Page Source. And sure enough, this is the code that we just put in. And just to ensure that everything's hooked up, because sometimes for one reason or another, the Google Analytics won't be hooked up. So get on the home page or whatever page on your website that you added your analytics. Then come back to Google Analytics, and we're going to actually go inside of the website that we just added and make sure that we've got real-time reports that it shows that we are on the website. So click VPA. These are your accounts. And then VPA website, all website data. And this is kind of, I'm not even going to this right now, I don't have time, but this is Google Analytics, and we are going to go to this real-time tab, overview, and if everything's working right, and it is, you should see 1 on there. So it's tracking this one user U on there. And if we get off of it, real time, should go to 0. Let's go ahead and refresh this. And, oh, well, it was at 0. Anyway, I'm not sure why it's doing that, but it is hooked up. So that's how you hook up your Google Analytics to your WordPress. I'm going to leave a link to the Google Analytics account in the description. And if you have any more questions, go ahead and leave a comment. Thank you.